Friends, today I am going to tell you one nice story, Mullah Nasruddin. Listen this story so carefully. You will learn a lot from this story. Actually, this story belongs to your psychology, your mentality. You are very nice. You have sound health. You do not have any problem. But somebody say you, my friend, today you are not looking well. You have some problem. No, my friend, it is not any issue. I am very sound. I am very healthy. No, but your body is looking yellow. Your face is looking pale. Go to meet doctor. No, I am okay. But you don't take load. But after some time, another person meet you, and that person say you, my friend, your body is yellow. See, there may be pilia. So go to meet doctor. No, yeah, I am looking well. But you say, think, first time one person met me, he said. Now second person met me, he said. But you don't take load. But you got some point. After some time, third person met you. My friend, go to doctor, meet doctor. You see, your body is getting yellow. You may have pilia. But तुमचा confidence कहाँ पे? You lost your confidence. And you feel I have to go to meet doctor and solve my problem. Means, if any wrong statement or if any statement get repeat time to time, you feel that is right one and you do it. The same thing happened in this story also. Watch this story so carefully. You will learn a good English from this story. See my friend, it was an old era. तो जुना काळ होता. It is to be as a main work. There was a one person. He was living on the top of hill. His name was Mullah Nasruddin. One day what happened? On the hill there was a village. He was living there. One day what happened? After prolonged gap, some VIP guest came in his home. After prolonged gap, some VIP guest came in his home. Prolonged gap means खूप दिवसानंतर. Some VIP guest came in his home. Simple past tense. So Mullah's wife said him. Oh, can you bring fresh meat for the guest? It is so empty guest for all of us. Mullah said, okay, I bring it, but market is so away from the village. Don't worry, go tomorrow and bring tomorrow. Mullah said okay to his wife. And next day morning, Mullah decided to go to market. Mullah went in the market on foot. Why Mullah went in the market on foot? Because it was a old era. 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers were not available. Mullah was a poor person. He had no horse. So he went in the market on foot. He had no horse. त्याच्यापाशी घोडा नव्हता. हे टूबीचा सेकंड टाइप आहे. जसं आय हॅड अ पेन, माझ्यापाशी पेन होती. आय हॅड अ पेन्सिल, माझ्यापाशी पेन्सिल होती. आय हॅड अ मनी, आय हॅव अ मनी, माझ्यापाशी पैसे आहे. आय विल हॅव मनी, माझ्यापाशी पैसे असेल. तसंच वाक्य आहे. ही हॅड नो हॉर्स, त्याच्यापाशी घोडा नव्हता. आता नो आलं. नो म्हणजे कधीही नव्हता. ही हॅड नो हॉर्स म्हणजे त्याच्यापाशी घोडा कधीही नव्हता. कळलेपर्यंत? हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल द सेंटेन्सेस? मुल्ला वेंट इन द मार्केट ऑन फूट. मुल्ला बाजारात पैदल गेला. सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स आहे. ऑन फूट म्हणजे पैदल. ही रोम्ड एंटायर मार्केट. रोम मीन्स फिरणे. ही रोम्ड, ईडी लागला. ही रोम्ड एंटायर मार्केट. तो संपूर्ण मार्केट घुमला. बट ही डिड नॉट फाइंड फ्रेश मीट. बट इन अ शॉप ही सॉ वन गोट. ही डिड नॉट फाइंड फ्रेश मीट. त्याला ताजं मांस आढळलं नाही. सिंपल पास्ट टेन्सचं निगेटिव्ह वाक्य. बट इन अ शॉप, एका दुकानात, ही सॉ अ गोट. त्याने एक बकरा पाळला. ही लाईक इट सो मच, त्याला आवडला. ही पेड अ पेमेंट टू द बुचर. बुचर मीन्स खाटील. पे म्हणजे देणे. ही पेड, दिले, पेमेंट टू द बुचर. आणि ही परचेस्ड गोट, त्याने बकरा खरेदी केला. सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स. बट व्हेन ही वॉज परचेसिंग गोट, सेम टाइम वन बिझनेसमॅन केम देअर. He came there on the chariot. Chariot means रथ. He had a 4 guard. He had a 4 bodyguard. उसके पास 4 bodyguard थे. Businessman was a different kind of person. He was a very hunty person. Hunty means जिद्दी व्यक्ती होता. He liked goat so much. So businessman said to the mullah, can you give me this goat? Mullah said, sir, how can I give you? Some VIP guest came in my home. Businessman saw angrily. And said, I can give you double price. Can you give me this goat? Mullah said, no sir, how can I give you? Some VIP guest came in my home. Okay, I can give you triple price. Please give me this goat. Businessman said him angrily, no sir. See, last time I said, I can give you 4 times price. Can you give me? Mullah again said, no sir. Businessman was so angry. He said, would I snatch from him? Would I snatch from him? Snatch means hisakne. Grab means hisakne. You got it, okay? But businessman again thought, he was a very talented person. He thought, okay, I can snatch from him. But he is very heighted person. He may beat all of us because his personality is looking very powerful than anybody else. So it is not possible for me. I have to use some different kind of mind. Businessman made another plan. See my friend, businessman made another plan. Simple past tense thought. Businessman kept his bodyguard on the way of Mullah. Simple past tense. Then Mullah Nasruddin kept the goat on the shoulder and he began his journey toward the village. He went some distance ahead. He met first man. First man said, oh Mullah, what a nice cat. From where did you purchase? Mullah said, my friend, it is not a cat, it is a goat. No Mullah, I am looking at cat. Mullah thought, early in the morning he drank. So he does not understand difference between goat and cat. Ignore him. Mullah ignored that person and Mullah went away. Mullah met second man. Second man said, Mullah, my friend, I think you purchased cat. Oh, what a nice looking cat you have purchased. I didn't see such a cat in my life. Mullah said to him, my friend, it is not a cat, it is a goat. I have purchased goat for my family member. I want to give feast to my guest. So I purchased goat, it is not a cat. But that man didn't listen Mullah. He said cat, cat, cat. Mullah thought he is a foolish. Today is my unlucky day. I met two men. They all were, one was drunkard, the second is foolish. Mullah ignored them and Mullah went ahead. After some distance, Mullah met third man. Third man said, oh Mullah, how are you? Mullah said, I am fine. From where did you purchase this cat? What is the height of this cat? What is the color of this cat? Really, you purchased very nice cat. Mullah said, my friend, it is not a cat, it is a goat. But Mullah lost his confidence. Mullah thought, first man met me. He said cat. Okay, he was a foolish, he was a drunkard. Second man met me. Okay, he was also foolish. But right now, third man met me. He also said cat. How can all men be foolish? How can all men be drunkard? It is not possible. And I am alone, how can be wise? Mullah lost his confidence. So Mullah had little bit confidence. He kept that goat on the land and saw the I am looking at goat. And they said cat, cat, cat. What is this? In such a loose confidence, Mullah kept that goat again on the shoulder and he began his journey towards the village. Fourth man met him. Fourth man said, oh Mullah, really you purchased very nice cat. What is the height of this cat? Really, yeah. You are nourishing domestic animal. It's a very good thing. Nourishing, paran pushan karne. Domestic, payu prani. It is very good thing. Mullah thought, yeah, first man may be foolish, drunkard. Second man may be. Third man, it is not possible. It's okay, even though I believe. But now fourth man met me. He also said cat. I made a big mistake. I made a blunder. Without thinking, he kept that goat on the land and went back to the home and said his wife, today fresh meat was not available, so I could not bring. I will bring tomorrow. Don't worry. Story is over. Now think about the moral of the story. I tell you the moral of the story. See my friend, when any wrong thing get repeated time to time, we feel that wrong thing as a right one and we do it. Take an example. Somebody say you are not talented, you are a dull. Somebody say you first time, you may listen. After some time, another person say you are a dull. After some time, another person say you are not a talented, you are a dull. Then you know already you have two minds, conscious mind, subconscious mind. When any wrong thing gets repeated time to time, it goes in the subconscious mind, and you feel I am just like this, I am a dull. It has been learned by Shivaji Maharaj's mother. She said to the Shivaji, Raje, right from childhood, Raje, Raje, Raje. That sentence has entered in his mind in such a way, in his subconscious mind, that Shivaji Raje thought I am a Raje and I have to become a king of this kingdom, and he became a king. Actually काय होते की आपल्यासोबत तेच घडते. लहान वयात आपले आई वडील ऑलवेज से अस, बेटा मुलीला तू मुलगी आहे, यू आर अ गर्ल, बिहेव लाईक अ गर्ल, बिहेव लाईक अ गर्ल, बिहेव लाईक अ गर्ल. आफ्टर 7 डोंट गो आउट ऑफ होम, यू आर अ गर्ल, कीप इन माइंड. आणि तिच्या मनात फिट का करते, तिथं जाऊन तुला स्वयंपाक करायचा, लर्न कुकिंग. मुलीच्या मनात काय फिट होते, मी मुलगी आहो, मी कमजोर आहो, मला दुसऱ्या वागलं पाहिजे आणि मला स्वयंपाक करण्याचा. ती शिक्षण शिकतात कशी शक्य होते, शी टेक्स एज्युकेशन, पण तिच्या सबकॉन्शियस माइंडमध्ये काय घुसते की ती शिका, मला स्वयंपाकच करणे, मला लवकर थोडी करणे. तर ती इतकं शिक्षण शिकते तरी ती स्वयंपाकच करते, बिकॉज इट एंटर्ड इन हर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. कळलं का तुम्हाला? ऍक्च्युली आपल्यासोबत तेच घडलं आहे, आपल्या जीवनात तेच घडलं आहे. माहिती आहे का, व्हॉट हॅपन विथ अस ऑल्सो. खोटी गोष्ट खूप वेळा रिपीट झाली आणि ती खरी वाटायला लागली. एक्झाम्पल सांगतो, खोटी गोष्ट खरी कशी वाटायला लागली. आपले यू हॅड अ अँसेस्टर, यू हॅड अ फोरफादर. Forefather was worshipping stone god, iron god, steel god. Forefather was enlightening lamp before it, enlightening incense stick before it. Incense stick means agarbatti. Forefather was doing same thing, so grandfather was doing, because it was a culture. Grandfather was doing, so father was doing, and father is doing, so we are also doing. We do not understand exact reason behind it. But it entered in our subconscious mind that stone is a god, iron is a god, steel is a god, and we are following that tradition and custom. We don't care, we don't think it is right or wrong, we don't utilize mind, just wrong thing got repeated numbers of time and we follow it. Understood? तुम्हाला सांगतो मी, तुमच्यामध्ये खूप महानपणाची असीम क्षमता आहे. You all have infinite power to be a great man. You all have, no issue at all. फक्त नाही का तुमच्या सबकॉन्शियस माइंड मध्ये काही गोष्टी फिट आहे, त्या तुम्हाला काढावं लागते. तुमच्या सबकॉन्शियस माइंड मध्ये फिट काय आहे का, मुलगी आहे, मुलीसारखं वागायला, मुलीने नवऱ्याच्या घरी स्वयंपाकच करणे आहे. मुलाच्या मनात फिट काय, आपले वडील मिलात कामाला होते, आपले वडील मिस्त्री होते, ठेकेदार होते, आपणही थोडं बहुत 15-20 हजारची नोकरी घेतली पाहिजे, आपण कुठल्या कुठं कामाला लागलं पाहिजे. पण तुमच्या सबकॉन्शियस माइंड मध्ये फिट आहे. तुम्हाला ते गोष्ट डिलीट करायची आहे आणि तुम्हाला गोष्ट ऍड करायची आहे, तर मी ग्रेट आहो, आय एम अ ग्रेट, आय एम अ पॉवरफुल, आय एम अ टॅलेंटेड, आय एम सो इंटेलिजंट. मला जीवनात खूप मोठा व्यक्ती बनायचा आहे, मला महान बनायचं आहे, मला खूप मोठा बिझनेस मॅन बनायचा आहे, मला खूप मोठी बिझनेस वुमन बनायची आहे, मला खूप मोठा सोशल वर्कर बनायचा आहे, मला पॉलिटिशियन बनायचा आहे, मला आमदार बनायचा आहे, मला खासदार बनायचा आहे, मला मंत्री बनायचा आहे, मला IAS बनायचं आहे. असं रोज काय करा, तुम्ही रिपीट करा, रिपीट करा, रिपीट करा. डे बाय डे आय एम गेटिंग बेटर अँड बेटर, बेटर अँड बेटर, असं फील करा. वेन यू रिपीट नंबर्स ऑफ टाइम थिंक, आणि जेव्हा ते सबकॉन्शियस माइंडमध्ये तुमच्या घर करेल, तर तुमच्या जुन्या मान्यता डिलीट होईल आणि नवीन मान्यता तयार होईल आणि तुम्ही तिथून महान बनणं सुरुवात. कळलं तुम्हाला?